Hey everybody, Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got a quick unboxing of this fog machine right here. This thing is going to be great for events, great for all your parties, your get-togethers, and just in time for Halloween and the holidays. Let's get to it. Let's check it out. This comes double boxed when you order it off Amazon. So let's get the first box opened up. Box one. Here's what was inside of our first prepackaged box. Looks pretty nice, right? Let's check it out. Okay, packaged very nice. Looks like you got a remote. Yep, remote in the bag there and a cable. Power cord. Another remote. Got a handle and some adjustment knobs. Mounting bracket. Actual unit itself. That is everything in the box. Alright, so let's lay this out. Everything that was in the box. Little instruction manual right here. Let's open this guy up. Got all your excellent lighting on the front there. It's going to be fun to try out. Get your mounting bracket. Looks like you got your trigger there. Little remote. Got your handle. Got another handle there. A couple of knobs to put on. A little bit of hardware. Power cord. And finally your actual light control. Looks like you've got some options there: flash, fade, smooth, and strobe. You've got all your colors, your brightness, and maybe a width control, looks like. Give you a little bit better look here at the actual fog machine. Check out all those lights. Your fog dispenser. Put your fog juice in right here on the top. Your container. Power switch. Power cord input. Wireless input, juice level right there, Got an auto mode. This is the FM 1500 watt model. Got some legs on the bottom there. And that is everything in the box. So this indoor-outdoor fog machine runs $89.99. There's a link in the description. Be sure and check it out after the video. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure and like and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Also check out these other videos I've got going on. And I'll catch you guys later.